This is the easiest and simplest mod that you can do to your 2019 Honda Monkey, and it involves ditching the OEM 12mm bolts that are in the seat mount in the front and replacing them with these slick Delrin plugs that also double as removable bolts on the fly via your ignition key or a flat blade screwdriver. Let's see how they go in. So these are basically plugs that have your probably a M6 or so thread here that will thread into the provision for mounting the seat on the Monkey. And then what you can do is use your key, your Monkey Bike key, to undo them. So you don't need any tools at all to remove the seat on the Monkey after you install these little pieces. Nice quality pieces. It looks like they're made out of Delrin plastic. They're real subtle, very simple, but pretty nice little design. Okay, sometimes I like to drink beer when I'm doing these projects, but I don't think this one's even going to take the time that it takes to drink a beer, even though I drink them pretty fast. So get you a 12mm socket. I pre-loosened these for time's sake, but take out the OEM bolt that's in there, and take a screwdriver or your ignition key. It's meant for the ignition key, and self-explanatory. Screw in the replacement plugs. They don't need to be tight. I don't recommend putting them in tight if you ever want to get them out with your ignition key. And that's it. Let's go ahead and test it with the ignition key itself. Very, very nifty little mod here. The seat bolts are one thing that if you're out on the road, if you can get your seat off, there's a compartment underneath. If you don't have ABS, you have a generous compartment. If you have ABS like I have, it's filled with the ABS system. So not much storage for me, but for a lot of people out there, popping this seat off would provide you a good place for your registration or your wallet or cell phone or anything if you're going off-road. So this is a really cool, very slick little mod. Very simple, but very worthwhile, and in my opinion, something every monkey should have.